Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. You guys, I'm back with another video. And I am making lasagna and freezing it. Okay. Very easy to do. And I chose to do it to where anybody could do it, okay? I'm not making it from scratch or anything like that. I'm just, canned pasta sauce. There we go. Pasta sauce. Canned pasta sauce. And I have different kinds. So the way I'm going to do this is to show you guys that if you got one kind of this and one kind of that, you can put it together and it is good. Okay. So what I have here, I have 10 pounds of meat cooking. And once I get it cooked real good, I'll strain it. And then I'm going to put it all in one pot. And then I'm going to add my sauce. And you guys will see what I'm talking about here in just a bit. While I'm waiting on this, I want y'all to look at something. What are you doing, babies? That's my baby right there. Right there in the front. Stretching. Her name is Zoe. It's time for them to eat, and my son's fixing to come in here and make it for him real quick. They're spoiled, very spoiled, okay? They're all females except for one. One right there, that's a male. And his name is Georgia. They call him Georgie. But the babies, we have 4 babies, and we've been trying to find homes for them, so there's that. And we got stuck with the rest of them, and I think I'm viewed as the cat lady in the neighborhood. But this is almost done. You guys see that? So I'm going to finish this, cooking it, and I will be back. Alright, you guys, I'm back. This is done. Let me show you guys what I do. Some of y'all don't think I'm crazy, but it's a lot healthier to do it this way. Oh my gosh. Gonna be looking at my hot messes now. I'm gonna pour this in here in my strainer. Rinse my pan. I gotta find a place to set this. I rinse my meat, okay, with hot water. I try to get as much as the grease as I can out. Okay, there's that one. That's a pretty good bit. I'm going to set this back there and do this other one. This one was lighter. Well, let me get my big pot back over here. That wasn't a very smart thing to do. But I did need it out of my way. Okay, so there's that. Now, see, I have a lot in here. It's going to go a long way. Now, I have different kinds of sauce. I have the Barilla. I have a couple of those. I have a couple of the Del Monte traditional. I have Hunt's garlic and herb and Hunt's traditional. I think I'm going to start with these first, and then if I need more, I'll add those two. Okay? I want different flavors in there. Usually that works out really well, okay? So. That one. Usually you get a pretty good balance because some sauces are sweeter, some sauces are a little spicier, and you get that perfect balance when you do it like this. Let me move to over here so I can get my handy dandy can opener. And I just use a hand can opener, y'all, because it's actually quicker than an electric one, okay? So some technologies don't make much sense. Yummy, yummy. Let me show you guys. I don't know why you would need to see me do this, but hey, never know, maybe somebody out there. Okay, I'm going to stir this. And I do have my burner still on. It's on a little less than medium. And I like a lot of sauce, y'all. Okay? That's just me. And we are definitely going to need it. Okay, let me get some more. These are $1. The Del Monte is $1. The Barilla I had bought when it was buy one, get one free at Publix. So that's why I have so many different kinds. And usually it works out really well. Like for instance, I had made chocolate syrup. I had done half Nestle and half Hershey's. And oh my gosh, y'all would not believe it turned out perfect. It was so good. Note that I said it was good, not is, because it's gone, okay? I gotta make some more. Let me get that sauce down in there, because I'm sure that it's just floating on top here. Yep, see that? I think I wore the wrong kind of shirt. I'm scared I'm going to drag it across something. Gosh, I should have got a bigger pot. Okay, that should be good enough. If not, then oh well. Okay, now, you guys see my things over here I have set now? I have two smaller ones down here that I'll use too. I just haven't gotten them out, but I want to show you guys how I put these together and how I freeze them. So anytime you run across these in a yard sale, pick them up. But make sure they have the lid with them, okay? So you have plenty to be able to put in your freezer, like this, you know, you put them in there in this. So, yeah. And on this go around, I have the oven ready pasta, which is some pretty good stuff. And you know what? I'm going to open up one of these cans. Gosh. Move. My dogs are in the way, y'all. I'm going to open up one of these cans, and I'll show you why here in just a second. I'm going to use it. Okay. I'm just going to pour some down in the bottom. Okay? Y'all. Oh my gosh. Alright. Now, you get the lasagna, the noodles, and 3 will fit in here. And I will do 2 layers. Okay, now I need to get a couple of things out. And I like cottage cheese. I do not like ricotta. And I bought 2 of these, and I'm hoping I got some left because I like to eat it by itself. Alright. I'm just going to sprinkle this in. Put that there. Get a spoon. I'm just going to do little dollops all over. Now, typically, I would use cheddar cheese and mozzarella. And the way my mama used to make it, she would shred the cheddar cheese, but the mozzarella she would cut into strips and do like a braided ribbon on it, which is really nice looking. Gosh, there we go. However, this is what I chose to get this go around. And I've done it before, and it's really, really good. It's the Fiesta blend. You get this at Walmart. $12, y'all. But there is a lot of cheese in this, okay? A lot. So I'm going to cover this really good. We are cheese eaters. We love cheese here. We go through it like it ain't nothing. Okay. Put that somewhere where it's not hot. And I'm ready for my second layer. And these expand, okay? They will expand. Just cover it really good. I don't even think, if I wanted to do the mozzarella like that, I don't even know if I could find the slices to do it with. I haven't seen it in so long. Maybe I'm just not looking in the right place. I don't know. Spread it out. And now my cheese. And y'all, I am not stingy with this stuff, okay? If my son was putting it on here, it'd be up to here, okay? But I don't just barely put it on here either. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and it's not too hot, it's not hot at all. I'm going to take it and just put it in my freezer and let it freeze without the lid, okay? So that after it freezes, you go ahead and put the lid on and then store it like that in your freezer. And I do that way so that the lid doesn't stick to my cheese. I don't want to take the lid off and all my cheese come off with it, okay? And when you get ready to cook it, just take it out a few hours before, okay? And then you just pretty much lightly brown your cheese on the top on 350. That's it, you guys, that's it. So, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to take it the way it is. This is the lid for it over here. I'm going to leave this right here. Don't look at my messy house. My husband just got home from work, and this is his lunch bag right here. Well, gosh, if I can find some space. There we go. So there's that. So you guys, yeah. Easy, easy. So I've done one already. And look how much I still have. And I got the pans to do it with. So, I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have an awesome night or day or whatever it is, wherever you are. Hit that like button, share, subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.